As we know that when two or more roads meet at a point, that is called as an intersection. Now when you travel from one point to other point, you can able to observe many intersections on a road. Now at those intersections, you can also observe certain traffic controlling devices like traffic signs, traffic signals, road markings and traffic islands. Right? Now let us see what is an intersection. So which we have already discussed, that when two or more roads meet at a point, that is called as an intersection. And these intersections are of two types. So these intersections are of two types. The first type is called as the at-grade intersection. The at-grade intersection. The first type is called as the at-grade intersection, and the second type is called as grade separated intersection. The second type is called as grade separated intersection. Now let us see about the first type, which is called as the at-grade intersection. Now what is this one? So in this type, what happens is all the roads meet at same level, all the roads meet at same level or same vertical level. So in this type of intersection, which is also called as at-grade intersection, so in this type of intersection which is called as at-grade intersection, ikkada emoutundi, all the roads meet at same level or same vertical level. So simple ga cheppalante manaki ikkada level difference anedi undadu. There will not be any level difference like higher level gaani, lower level gaani, ila roads anevi meet avvavu. So all the roads meet at same level or all the intersecting roads will meet at same level or same vertical level, that is called as an at-grade intersection. And ikkada you can able to observe diverging traffic, merging traffic and also crossing traffic operations. Now say for example, assume that this is a traffic stream. So this is a traffic stream. Now when you try to move out of traffic stream, this is called as a diverging, which we have discussed in traffic operations. Crossing operations, diverging, merging, weaving, వీటన్నిటిని మనము ట్రాఫిక్ మాన్యూవర్స్లో డిస్కస్ చేసాము. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as a diverging. When you move out of the traffic stream and say for example, assume that this is a traffic stream, and when you try to join the traffic stream and travel along the traffic stream, which is called as merging. So diverging is to move out of the traffic stream, merging is to join a particular traffic stream, that is called as a merging. And ఆ తర్వాత there is something called as crossing traffic. So crossing traffic operation, so ఇలా మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే, so say for example, this is a traffic stream which is moving in this direction, in that direction, and ఒకవేళ మీరు from north to south గానీ, south to north గానీ travel చేస్తే, that is called as a crossing traffic operation. It means that at an at-grade intersection, you can able to observe diverging conflict points, merging conflict points and crossing conflict points. And as we know that diverging and merging will come under minor conflict points, whereas the crossing traffic operation will come under a major conflict point. So ivanni meer akkada observe cheyochu. Now what are the examples? What are the examples of at-grade intersection? So the first one is called as crossroad. The first one is called as crossroads or junctions antaru, or you also call it as a junction. You also call it as a junction, and local language lo chaurasta antaru, chaurasta, four routes. Right? Ikkada meer observe cheyochu, two roads are meeting at a point. Ikkada two roads are meeting. Two roads are meeting at a point in this figure. So this is road 1. Ikkada meer observe cheste, this is road 1. So this is road 1 and this is road 2. So this is road 2, and then we have, so ikkada this is leg 1. So this is leg 1 and this is leg 2. So this is leg 3 and this is leg 4. So two roads are meeting at a point which has four legs. So kabatti dini manamu we can also call it as a four-legged intersection. A four-legged intersection. Junction gaani, crossroads gaani, so legs అనేవి 4 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి it is called as a four-legged intersection. And the other example is called as a T junction. So this is called as a T junction. So this is called as a T junction. So T junction. And ikkada meer observe cheste, so this is leg 1. So two roads are meeting at a point. So two roads are meeting. So this is road 1. This is road 1 and this is road 2. This is road 2. And ఒకవేళ మీరు ఆ కంప్లీట్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, దిస్ ఈజ్ లెగ్ 1, లెగ్ 2, లెగ్ 3 కాబట్టి దిస్ కెన్ బి కాల్డ్ యాజ్. అండ్ ఇక్కడ మీరు ట్రాఫిక్ అనే టూ వే ట్రాఫిక్ కండిషన్ ఉంది విచ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ మీడియన్. సో మీడియన్ లేదు, వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ మీడియన్ ఓవర్ దేర్. అండ్ ట్రాఫిక్ అనేది టూ వే ట్రాఫిక్ కండిషన్ కూడా ఉంది అక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే. సో దిస్ కెన్ బి కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ 3-legged intersection. So 3-legged intersection, undivided road with two-way traffic condition. So 3-legged intersection. So 3-legged intersection or T junction which is undivided, which has a two-way traffic condition, right? And the next example is a Y junction. The next example is a Y junction. So Y junction also comes under at grade intersection. ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు, all the roads are meeting at same level or same vertical level. ఇక్కడ కూడా మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఈ రోడ్ కానీ ఈ రోడ్ కానీ ఈ రోడ్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఆల్ ద రోడ్స్ ఆర్ మీటింగ్ ఎట్ సేమ్ లెవెల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ వర్టికల్ లెవెల్. అప్స్ అండ్ డౌన్ సేమ్ లేవు, హయ్యర్ లెవెల్ కానీ లోవర్ లెవెల్ కానీ అలాంటివి ఇక్కడ ఏం లేవు కాబట్టి వీఆర్ కాలింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎట్ గ్రేడ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ వై జంక్షన్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ వై జంక్షన్. మీరు ట్రావెల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే ఇలాంటివన్నీ మీరు చాలా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు ఇన్ యువర్ ఏరియా. And the next example is called as a staggered junction. The next example is called as a staggered junction. The next example is called a staggered junction. So the staggered junction is the combination of